Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with one more tutorial on the hoop earrings with different technique. Now today I'll demonstrate you on the dotted technique on the hoop earrings and also a twisted style. Let's get into the tutorial. Before getting into the tutorial, let's look at the materials needed for this. So I have taken two clays, yellow and the blue one, a cutter, a super glue, and the acrylic paint, pink color, and this is one of the cutters, and these jewelry findings, and also some eye pin and head pin. And this is the hoop earrings that I already made to show you on how to do the dotting technique on it. So let's start the tutorial. So let's get into the process. I am trying to make it as soft as I can so that I can shape it into different shapes for these twisted hoop earrings. So once it becomes soft, roll it. I'm going to roll the yellow color clay as well. So it can be as thick as you want. So I'm going to make it the same length as the yellow color one. I have taken this plastic surface because the clay gets sticky and I cannot do that on a paper. So I'm using this plastic surface and it's easy to move as well. So this length is good enough to make a pair of earrings. Okay, so I have cut them and now I'm going to twist it like how you do for the candy cane. It's as easy as that. That's it. This is twisted. And now cut this extra yellow part and make it into half to make two pairs of earrings, and measure the size of both of it. You see that both are almost equal. Now I'm going to shape it into a C, something like this. Make sure this like one end of it is flat. And do it for the other one as well. Make it flat like this and check if the both look alike. So now they are good, and I need to attach the pierce the eye pin. So here I have shown you the eye pin and the head pin in the beginning while showing you the materials. So I have cut the beginning part and then made it into half so I can use it for these earrings. So something of this size. So I'm just going to insert it. For now I just made a hole for both the earrings. I'll show you closely. Something like this. And now I'm going to bake these at 275 degrees Fahrenheit and then insert these eye pins. I'll show you how I did for the previous ones. So something like this. After I baked it, I just added these head pins to it and I glued it. So that's it. This is how it looks after you bake it. I gave the glaze finish. If you don't give the glaze finish, it would give a matte finish. So these are the two colors that I made. So yeah. And now I'm going to show you the dotting technique one. So for the dotting technique, I have taken these already made hoop earrings. Please check out my tutorial on hoop earrings. So for this I have taken the acrylic paint and also a paintbrush. I'm going to use this tip for this. So I have taken some paint on a surface. I just dipped some paint in it and now I'm going to make some dots. Something like this. You can take any color or any combination you like. Since it has a pink, I'm trying to match it on the white color one as well. So this is how I paint it with the dotting technique. I'm going to do on the second earring as well, and I'll show you the finished part.